Let's see if I can do the one-handed, the no-handed on the bar thing. And you know,
hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. This is your girl Maria, your little boy Island. Can you say hi to everyone? Good boy. So today guys, me and Babe, we decided to construct his chair so we can go for bike rides. We didn't show you guys the bikes, so these are the bikes that we purchased.
Yeah, well, we got them all set up.
Excuse me, I'm ready.
Yeah, got the bikes all set up. So that's my bike here, and this is Babe bike. Yeah. So this is the first time we actually are gonna test them out in idea, in the evening at least. As it so, yeah man, exciting.
And the thing is, we gotta wear helmets.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's new for me. I've never worn a helmet, never. So you don't know. We are follow the guidelines, the rules.
The rules.
Yeah man. So, Bobo, are you excited?
Bobo. Oh, give everyone a kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Good
boy. Bobo have his little helmet here as well. You, Bobo. I know this is gonna be new for you, Bobo, but it's for safety.
You have to put it on, Bobo, otherwise we can't go.
Alright, my cute boy. I know. This thing set up now. Someone chop up your second man.
Yeah, don't get his neck. Yeah, I know those. I know since when I was a little girl and I used to put the helmet, I always used to get under my chin. And my God, it used to hurt.
Oh shit, that's right, man. Hey, Bobo.
Yeah.
Thank you, boy. You look so not happy about it. Island.
I just realised he's got your eyebrows.
Oh, Bobo, we going?
Let's go. No, come on. Here.
Alright guys, so that's Babe there. See it? And little Bobo, he's a bit uncomfortable with this helmet on his head, you know. But yeah, I probably have to make it a bit tighter as well because it's kind of loose. And this is Africa.
Always make sure you close the gate, guys. Here we go.
Make it a bit tighter because
mine. I think I need to do mine tighter too, guys.
it's alright, Bobo. Smile.
Let's go.
Alright.
He's waving at everyone.
Still have to make it a bit tighter.
Where's the bike frame one to put the GoPro on there?
You can just hold it in your hand.
Okay.
This now is probably gonna be a challenge.
Should be wearing our sports shoes, but anyway, just go towards my dad's. Hi, Island. Babe, my tires feel flat. They're good. Yeah. Need a lot of pumping up for these for these thickness.
It's been good, yo. It's been a while.
Has been, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, for you? Yeah.
Jamaica. I haven't been, on a bike. Oh, we're going here?
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Hopefully they can hear us properly. Ah. Bubba! Island!
riding it like this.
Yeah, you go in front.
Yeah, and do not too. Yeah, and do not crazy riding.
Hey, mister.
Over there. Is he good? Is he happy? What is he doing?
I don't know, just looking.
It's new for him.
Yeah. This is new for him. I think I need a new seat though.
We need one to work soft.
Yeah, a cushion. We don't want to get sore in any place. Yeah guys, this is what's up. Family riding. Family riding. Daddy. Daddy. I think his helmet's it's a bit too loose. What do you reckon? Huh? Alright. Island. Hi! How you liking it? Nice, isn't it? Hey? Beautiful boy. Show me. Show mommy. Yeah, he's good. He likes it. Alright, it's alright. I thought it was a bit loose on him, but it's all good. Alright, let's go. I think when you have a helmet you can ride on the road, yeah? I'm thinking so. Yeah. Let's see if I can do the one-handed, the no-handed on the bar thing. And you know, oh shit! Oh, far out! Oh my gosh! Turn right, turn right. We'll go right. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the road because your driving skills are shocking, even on the bloody bike. Island! Yeah, 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 yeah. You alright, babe? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I feel that one. You good?
Yeah.
Hey, Jamaica man. See.
Of course, it's spicy. I taste it. Good thing I just taste it.
Island. Come here. What are you doing? Hey, no, you can't go there. Mom. Mom. Yeah, Mom.
So when it's ready,
Island.
cut it underneath.
Yeah.
But that's another plan.
Yeah. That's
Huh? Where are you going? Island. Where are you going? What are you doing? Island, what are you doing? Excuse me. He's naughty. Now imagine you go Thailand. Again, go again, go again.
You tired already?
Island.
See?
Island, go again. Jockey.
And then the
Go jockey.
slowly you can propagate the front, the where you live,
Island.
you need a fence like that.
Yeah.
A lot, the whole-
Yeah.
all on the side,
Yeah.
both sides. So, but of course, if you have to buy the trees,
Yeah.
it costs money. So slowly you can do it.
Go, 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 Papi Daddy. Go, go, go.
I can give you everywhere you see.
This is my dad's gnome, guys. What the hell? What is this? My gosh. Even Island's laughing about it.
You can put.
Ryland's laughing about it. Island, look. Pito, what is he doing?
You want to do something nice? Put it on the block. Welcome.
My dad's welcome to everybody. Oh my
And
god.
take the picture too.
What is this? Far out. Jay, looks like you, Dad, too. You got a big fat nose. Bye, guys. It's a boy.
Voice.
Yeah.
You get a thumbnail, put it up as high as you can. See if hopefully it catch both of us in it. Hey guys! Even feels good.
Yeah, for real. Nice and breezy. Oh, we can roll it. Let's go now. Babe, turn left here.
Yeah.
Not normal.
Yard man up in a foreign. Yard man and baby island. Baby island and baby island, you know?
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Papa. Oh, let's go. Hurrah. Yeah, guys.
Nice to ride through the neighborhood, you know?
Yeah. The house is for sale again. Wow.
Again?
Yeah, it was for sale and now it's for sale again. Crazy. Oh yeah, there was a comment. What's the rent and all that kind of, from what I was told, rent over here. Yeah, the price of renting here in Casino. It's quite expensive now. It's getting more expensive over the years. I believe not as bad as the big cities like Sydney and Brisbane though, but still they are getting dearer. Yeah, so that answers your question. Oh shit. So babe, you want to explain to the people then what you've got in your hand?
How Angela shoot, I don't remember the name though, but yeah, we definitely have this in Jamaica, and I believe it can go in soup as well. Yeah, yeah. So it's very flavorful and yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It smells good. That's
Yeah,
for
it
sure.
smells good, yeah.
And then babe's tomatoes and that. See how they're going. Island, what are you doing? Trouble. Yep. Hey, get off the.
Come out.
What's that? There, cucumbers. Cucumbers.
Cucumber.
Rockmelon. Wow. Yum, we got rockmelon in the house. Get some more fruit. I feel like some fruit. Yeah, beautiful. The sky, guys. It's just absolutely beautiful. And so much lemon. Like, wow, lemon for days, guys. Lemon for days. Yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. you can't see it. It's like a moon and star right next to each other.